Bismilla mon e nder Pular English. You welcome in Pular English. Assalamu alaikum. Hajoni gonɗen ko e present simple, positive form and negative form. 1. I play the piano very well. 2. Mas plays the piano very well. 3. Do you know my phone number? 4. We work very hard. 5. He has a bath every day. 6. You do the same things every day. 1. I play the piano very well. Mbeɗe zuwa piano no feewi. Ça veut dire ko mbeɗe waawi ɗum no feewi. 2. Mas plays the piano very well. Mas ene zuwa piano no feewi. Pourquoi mas o waɗi plays? Sabu o joforte ko he, ɗum tagi o waɗi plays. 3. They know my phone number. Eɓe ngandi nimero am. 4. We work very hard. Eɗen Liggoo no feewi. Walla mi wi'a emin Liggoo no feewi. Pular ene wi'a so wi eɗen Liggoo no feewi, firti ko an mo kaldanmi o aɗeni hen. Emin Liggoo no feewi, firti ko an mo kaldanmi o a ala hen. Kamɓe non anglais ɓe jogii tan ko oɗo. Eɗen Liggoo no feewi ni foti. Walla emin Liggoo no feewi ko an tan famata hankadin change haala ka. 5. He has a bath every day. Omo loto nyane foff. 6. You do the same thing every day. Aɗa waɗa geɗel gotel nyane foff. You do the same thing every day. Odo group woni positive form. 1. I don't play the piano very well. 2. Mas doesn't play the piano very well. 3. They don't know my phone number. 4. We don't work very hard. 5. He doesn't have a bath every day. 6. You don't do the same thing every day. 1. I don't play the piano very well. Mi zuwata piano no feewi. Ça veut dire ko mi wawa zuude piano no feewi. 2. Mas doesn't play the piano very well. Mas wawa zuude piano no feewi. 3. They don't know my phone number. Ɓe nganda nimero am. They don't know my phone number. 4. We don't work very hard. En liggotaako no feewi. 5. He doesn't have a bath every day. O lottaako nyande fof. 6. You don't do the same thing every day. A watta geɗel gotel nyande fof. Ɗiɗo adverbuji jiɗɗen famminde. I don't watch TV very often. Mi yeɓata tele kala saha. I often watch TV. Saha fof mbeɗe yeɓa tele walla mbeɗe heewi yeɓde tele. I never watch TV. Mi meeɗa yeɓde tele. I don't go to the theater very often. Mi yahata théâtre kala saha. Ça veut dire que mi yahata yeɓoyde théâtre kala saha. I often ride a bicycle. Saha fof mbeɗe dogna velo. I never eat in restaurant. Mi meeɗa nyamde e nder restaurant. I don't travel by train very often. Mi ɗannortaako terrain kala saha. I never walla I often ɗin a ardinaɗi e haala. Very often on ko cakitoɗo e haala. On jarama no feewi e jebgol bandiraɓe. Oɗon jejjiti wadde partager, abonné, aimer. So wonko jiɗɗa namdade waɗ commentaire. Yo en jeydodir ñalawde. Bye.